Shalom. I want to begin first and foremost giving all praises to the Heavenly Father Yahweh and His only begotten Son Yahweh Shai, whom the world ignorantly calls Jehovah and Jesus. I want to give all praises in the ancient Hebrew tongue while facing the east. Call Halal, La, Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rukakwatash, Barakata Yahweh, Barakata Yahweh Shai, the water, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rukakwatash. Double honors to the apostles, to the elders of Yasharala, Greatmillstone. Shalom to the 144,000. Shalom to the elect. My name is Micah, and today I want to talk about more judgments from the Lord. All right. Close to 1,000 feared dead after Cyclone Chido hits Mayotte. All right, let's check this out. You can see the Lord is bringing even more water-based judgments. Because he said he promised he wouldn't flood the whole world. You know, he put the rainbow as a sign of that promise, and that he wouldn't flood the whole world again. But you know, he never said anything about, you know, one place, just one place specifically getting flooded and another place getting. He didn't, you know, that's like a loophole. All right, and it says, 1,000 feared dead. He said, Mayotte Prefect Francois Xavier Bouville told local TV, I think there are several hundred dead. Maybe we'll get close to 1,000, even thousands, given the violence of this event. All right, and that's mostly Jake over there, because those people in the video, man, some of the pictures I saw in other articles, they look like Jake. All right, man, Esau trying to go in there. They claim that they still trying to put a claim on that land. Right, the cyclones bring the risk of flooding and landslides, and stagnant water may later cause outbreaks of the waterborne disease cholera, as well as dengue fever and malaria. All right, because of those pests. All right, that's pestilence, man. All right, so hey, the Lord is not playing, man. I'm gonna just end it with this, just a quick hit. Ecclesiastes 8 verse 5. Whoso keepeth the commandment shall feel no evil thing, and a wise man's heart discerneth both time and judgment. All right, so we can see this kind of news and be like, all right, that's the judgment of the Lord. Because to every purpose there is time and judgment. Therefore the misery of man is great upon him. All right, those people that are living there, they're miserable right now because the ones that are all affected by that. For he knoweth not that which shall be. For who can tell him when it shall be? All right, so these people are, living peacefully, without a care in the world. All right, no care in the world, and then boom, all of a sudden, look how they ended up. The cribs all destroyed. All right, but you do still see some houses intact. All right, so the Lord, he does spare some people, man. Like it says right there in the whoso keepeth the commandment shall feel no evil thing. All right, but the Lord is still going to be bringing that judgment, man, no matter what. All right, the best you could hope for is that you got a covering for it when it does happen. So I'm gonna leave it there. How the video is certifying. Shalom.